Hello everybody, today we're going to solve the rational equation 1 plus 6 over x squared equals 7 over x. Now in order to solve this rational equation, what we need to do is we need to find the least common denominator, or the LCD. Now here we have x, and x squared in the denominator. This is just 1. X squared and x have the common factor x. This one has a power of 1, this one has a power of 2. Now, the common factor with the greatest power would have to be the LCD. So since this one has a power of 2, the LCD is x squared. Again, we select the common factor with the greatest power. Now, what we do with the LCD, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD in order to clear the fraction. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to multiply each term by the LCD. So x squared times 1, that gives us x squared, plus this x squared going to cancel with this x squared, and you'd be left with 6 equal to, here we have x squared and x in the denominator. This is the same as 1. One of the x is going to cancel out, so this is going to cancel, and one of the x's from the numerator is also going to cancel. What you're left with 7x on the right side of the equation. So here we have a quadratic equation with no fraction. Now in order to solve this quadratic equation, what we need to do is we need to make one side equal to 0. So let's go ahead and subtract 7x on both sides of the equation. So we're going to end up with x squared. I'm going to write negative 7x first, plus 6 equal to 0. So as you can see, this can be easily factored. Here we have x squared, so we have x and x. We need to find two numbers whose product is a positive 6 and whose sum is negative 7. So then that would be negative 6 times and negative 1. Negative 6 times negative 1 gives me positive 6, and that's the product. Negative 6 plus negative 1 gives me negative 7, and that's the coefficient of the middle term. So this is the correct factoring right here. X minus 6 times x minus 1. Now setting each factor containing a variable equal to 0 and solve for the variable. Here we have to add 6 on both sides, and x would be equal to 6. This is one solution. We add 1 on both sides of the equation, we get x equal to 1. These are the solutions for our rational equation. I hope you find this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.